Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Chromium-based browser and an active Google account. Open the browser and go straight to the Extensions menu. Once there, enable extensions if they are off and sign in to let preferences sync. Next, open the browser web store and search for the Google Scholar extension name. Make sure you recognize the publisher and review permissions briefly before you click to install. This saves time and prevents unwanted access. You click Add to Chrome and accept the requested permissions. This installs the extension. Once installed, pin it to your toolbar so it's always visible. Then open the extension's options or settings. Enter your library links, preferred results per page, and any institutional access credentials. If the extension offers page action versus browser action, choose browser action for persistent access. Make sure to test a sample search from the extension. You finish by running a few real searches and clicking library links to verify full-text access. If results don't load or links fail, disable other extensions temporarily to check for conflicts, because ad blockers or privacy tools often interfere. Once done, clear the browser cache and restart. Make sure the extension is up to date. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the extension, and then re-enter settings. This usually resolves lingering configuration or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.